Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be working on the TrailBlazer. We're gonna be installing these isolators for the coils. Alright, so this is what I got out so far. These are the coils, and they put some bags in there, I guess, I don't know, to stiffen up the ride or something. This is what had the air valve to the back of the bumper. And then these are the shocks, which you could also put air in them, but even this valve looks bent. The bolts are messed up already. It had all these washers shimmed in between the shock and the shock mount to make it work, and these shock mounts are all bent. I don't know if you can see the space between here to here, so I don't know, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to push this back out. And also I'm gonna take this rubber off, I'm gonna get this bag out, and I'm gonna put the new isolators in there and throw these coils back in, and then we'll work on the shock. Alright, so now that we got these bags out, we're gonna reinstall the coils. And this is the part number for these coils, 140-002. And I'm gonna put a isolator up top and a isolator on the bottom. So let me get in there and install these. Alright, so we finally got the passenger side shock in. I wasn't recording because I had the wheels in here and it was kind of hard to get the camera to record. But this one was really bent. The driver's side was way easier. I just grabbed these and I opened them up a little bit and I was able to fit the shock in. But this passenger side is really dented from the outside of the shock mount and the inside. So we kind of got it opened up enough to get the bolt through, but these bolts are damaged already on the threads. So I'm gonna run to Lowe's real quick and grab a set of bolts and nuts. And the bottom should go right in because I have the driver's side in. And I got the springs in, and these springs sit on a little guide that's in here, the top as well. So just make sure you set them in right. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as we get the bolts. This is all the junk I took off from there. All these air lines. These were the shocks. And the washers. So now we put the shocks that came with the drop kit back in. The springs. And we're gonna lower it now and take it around the block, see how it rides. Alright, so we just got back from test driving it, and it's much better than how it used to be. It's less squeaking and stuff. We still get the rattle, so I'm gonna try to either tighten these up for the upper shock mounts, those bolts. And also the panhard bar has a little tab to hold the nut behind the mounting bracket, and I'm gonna try to get a little rubber spacer or something between that. So hopefully that fixes that noise. That's pretty much it for this Blazer. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.